So here it is. This is the $50 50s auger. Essentially what we're dealing with here is an old Hofco post-hole drill that's built with a Tecumseh 3-horse 2-stroke engine and an old Lauson carburetor. The story behind this thing was, well, I use a cordless drill to turn one of these to drill holes in the ice, and it's not very kind on the cordless drill. It puts a lot of strain on the motor, and a gas power head just works better, especially when you're not hiking in. But the problem was, it didn't run. I did a quick search on Kijiji, which is like Canada's version of Craigslist, and I found one guy selling this a couple hours away, so I figured I might as well snap it up because I've worked on these old Tecumseh engines a fair few times, and they're super reliable. They're really good, and they're very simple. As expected, this one would not run, and that's because the carburetor diaphragm, which is held in through here under these 4 screws, was stiff as could be, and it can't pump fuel properly when that happens. So the quick fix that I like to do, just to kind of make sure that the power head is good, there's no spun bearings in it, it's still got compression, what have you, is to take these out, take the diaphragm out, and soak it in brake fluid overnight. If you need to, you can heat the brake fluid up in the microwave a bit. It just makes the process go faster. But essentially, all you're looking to do is get the diaphragm nice and soft and pliable so that it can actually pump fuel from the carburetor into the engine. Then once you got that done, reinstall the diaphragm in the carb, and you'll see there's these 2 screws. We got low speed, we got high speed, and then I don't know what the technical name for this middle screw is, but basically it's just how high it idles when there's no throttle applied. The way you start it is you take these and you back them out 1.5 turns, and then you basically start adjusting them either in or out depending on how the engine sounds. I'm gonna fire this up and show you guys how well it runs with just a shitty brake fluid restored diaphragm. And then maybe we'll do another video later once we've replaced the diaphragm. It is worth mentioning, there's no primer on this, so it's not going to start first pull because there's no fuel getting through it. Full choke. Not bad. Oh, too bad, eh? Pretty good way to spend $50, I'd say.